Welcome to the breathtaking rocky shores of Hermanus, where nature's artistry unfolds in every wave, rock, and tidal pool. This unique coastline, shaped over millions of years, is home to resilient marine life and captivating geological formations. Here, the air is filled with the scent of the sea. The rocks tell stories of time, and life thrives against the odds. Let's embark on a journey to explore the wonders of this remarkable shoreline. Over millions of years, these jagged rocks have been shaped by the relentless forces of nature. Layers of stone reveal Earth's ancient history, carved and weathered by wind and water. As the sun beats down on shallow pools, water evaporates, leaving behind sparkling crystals of salt, a timeless reminder of the sea's enduring presence. In the tranquil pools between the rocks, sea snails glides gracefully. Its delicate shell and slow movements tell the story of adaptation as it navigates this microcosm of life. Here, it finds shelter, food, and safety in the ever-changing marine environment. The sea snails interact with the vibrant algae clinging to the rocks. These tiny plants provide nourishment, forming a crucial link in this intricate ecosystem. As the tides rise, waves surge through narrow channels, bringing fresh nutrients to mussels. These mussels cling steadfastly to the rocks. Their steady shells and strong bicell threads help them withstand the force of the ocean's rhythm. Above the waterline, mussels bask momentarily in the open air. Their glossy shells glimmer in the sunlight, a testament to their resilience against both sea and sky. Here, the waves crash with unyielding power, drenching seaweed and submerged rocks. This constant cycle of motion fuels life and shapes the rugged coastline. Amidst the natural spectacle, humans stand in awe, observing the delicate balance of life. From the dynamic waves to the tiniest snail, every element of this ecosystem tells a story of survival, beauty, and connection to the sea. The rocky shores of Hermanus are more than a natural marvel. They are a reminder of the resilience and beauty of our planet. From the life of mussels, sea snails, and other marine life, to the timeless stories etched in the rocks, and the delicate salt crystals left by the tides. This coastline offers endless inspiration. As we leave this tranquil place, let us carry with us a deeper appreciation for nature's intricate and enduring creations.